All right. Story today, my Niagara Falls adventure. So, Niagara Falls is this giant waterfall. Okay, this is part of it. So, as you can see, if these are teeny little people, okay, or that's a boat with people on it, there's some more people, it is a massive set of waterfalls. So just keep that in mind as you're reading it. Gives you some background information. It's a journal entry about this person who visited Niagara Falls. Circle 5 adjectives. So again, it might end with Y or IC or ENT or IVE or FUL, or it could be any ending as long as it is an adjective. Why is Niagara Falls called a natural wonder? So a natural wonder is kind of like a natural phenomenon. It's something that occurs naturally in nature. What can you do at Niagara Falls? Which of these would you most want to do and why? And then write an inference about the narrator. So remember, inference is something that's not directly said, but that we can figure out. So what's something that we can figure out about the narrator from this journal entry? Okay, see what you can come up with. I'm excited to see what you think. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.